Good afternoon, everyone. This is Harmeet from Sigma Picks. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to do just a quick review of ARK ETF. It's been a while since I've looked at this ETF, and I think it's a good time to start going back and start looking at it as it has developed quite a bit. So this is where we were last time when it's been a while. This is what we were looking at last time that I made a video about ARK. Kind of did a review on it, and one of the biggest things that I always say is just let the correction or consolidation develop. That is one of the most important things you can actually do, is to not rush into a trade and just let it develop and see what happens. So you know, it kind of got stuck in this diverse range, okay, for a little bit, for quite a bit, since March, all the way down to end of last year. So it was in this consolidation zone for 9 months or so, and it did try to break down once, and when it came up to recheck the zone, it got rejected. Did not get rejected. It went back through up and went to go up, and then when it got up to this area, 130 area again, it did get rejected. So both ways it and then just kind of stayed in this range for a long time, because people know that there were sellers here, there were buyers here in this 106 to 130 zone. So it kind of stayed there, and then we had this inflation scare that, well, it's not a scare anymore, it is what it is, and it started moving down and going through a technical breakdown, which has this 5-wave structure. So I think I've said this many times, just know that whenever things go parabolic, they tendency to retrace at least 61.8% and can retrace all the way up to 78.6%. So we did hit the $71 mark, and I think this really does open up the zone for the price action to continue down to get to this $50 area. It's just been a kind of a poster for technical breakdowns, bear flag breakdowns constantly, and you can expect this to continue and kind of just have some sort of ending, hopefully sooner than later. Why? Let's just quickly look at one other chart that I have actually up, and what it looks like. So this is your weekly chart. This right here is the parabolic arc. Okay, this is a parabolic arc, and this is the correction from the parabolic arc. Okay, and I said, I think the $68 area would be good. This is just a parabolic. These specific fib numbers or fib zones are only corresponding to this specific parabolic structure. Okay, it has nothing to do with Elliot Wave or any other type of analysis. It's just straightforward parabolic arc moving down to where the retracements are, and this can be seen in many different charts. Pull up anything that's gone parabolic. This will show you that they tend to do that quite a bit. So let's just go back to our Elliot Wave count. So we are in this larger zigzag. Okay, so for now that's what it is. We are in this zigzag. Okay, where this ends, we don't know, but we do know that today's move, breaking down from this flag, okay, that is, whichever way you want to draw it, that is a pretty significant move down now, and that opens up the door for a very kind of low risk entry, where if it starts going back into this zone that you can just get out, or if it goes up to the $70 or $80 mark that you can get out. So I mean, my short, I want to see it to stay below 71, 72. If it gets above it, I'll just get out, just because I actively manage it. And I do expect it to kind of give us that last fifth wave, some sort of impulsive structure, and that could be just a straight impulsive wave down, or it could be just an ending diagonal, whichever it comes to. So let's see how this develops. I hope this helps. Just again, just because people think that things have gone down, they can always go down further, and parabolic arcs have a tendency to break down most of their gains and retrace all the way back down to their 78%, 61 to 78% levels. So be aware of that. This is what we talked about way back in March last year, and this is what's happening. So this is why it's important to not think that this could have been one of the endings of this consolidation, because it never really did go and break over this major resistance zone and hold it. All right, have a great day, and we'll talk soon. Bye bye.